Good morning, student. This is your first lecture on articles. Articles is a first point in the first unit, applied grammar. Articles are very important in English language. There are two types of article in English: indefinite article and definite article. In indefinite article we have a and an, and in definite article we have the article. Now, what is meant by exactly article? Article is a word used to clarify whether a noun is specific or not, and articles divided according to the specification of that one. A and an are called indefinite articles because these cannot specify something, and definite article the is called definite because it specifies something. Now we will see the first one, that are indefinite article a and an. There are some rules which are related to the use of article. The first one, that is beginning of the word. Beginning of the word is very important in the case of article because the word we start with consonant that take a article, and if the word start with vowel, that time we use an article. For example, a boy. A boy. Boy is a word we start from consonant, that is why we took a article. And the second word, orange. Orange is a word we start from the vowel, so we put an article here. But mind it, in this rule, sound of that particular word is very important because there are many words which spellings are started with consonant but it pronounced as a vowel. For example, we take the example as a honest person. Honest is a word start with h. As a basic rule, we know that there are 5 vowel in English, that are a, e, I, o, u, and another are consonant. So we think that this word start with a h, and h is a consonant, so we take the a article. But first thing which is very important, you have to first pronounce that word. Though the word start with h, but when you pronounce it, that time we say honest. So we have to put an article. So in the first case, the beginning of the word according to the sound is very important. If the word start with a consonant and it pronounced like a consonant, then only we can take a article. And in the case of an article, the word start with vowel and it pronounced with vowel, then only we can take an article. For example, we can say a boy, B is a consonant, a girl, G is a consonant, a fan, F is a consonant. In the same way, an, for example, an orange, an enemy, an umbrella, an apple. In all these words, the word start with a consonant and it pronounced as a consonant also. So we take a article. And in the second one, and the word start with vowel and it pronounced like a vowel, so we take an article. But there are some words where the starting of the word start with consonant but it pronounced as a vowel. That time we have to take an article. For example, our, here, yeah. These words start with h but it pronounced as a, and a is a vowel, so we took an article here. And in the same way, the word union, u is a consonant in English language, so if there is a word university, in the word university we have to use a article because the word start with u, but the pronunciation of u in English is known as a consonant, so we have to Take a article.